The chill in the air means the holidays are coming. As you prepare for family times, remember that the roads can surprise you. At Duran's Auto Repair, we ensure a smooth drive with expert oil changes, alignments, and regular maintenance for a journey as gentle as the stillness of a winter evening. Our doors are open Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and even Sundays for tire services from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Call our office at 615-361-4744 or our customer service line at 629-217-5353. We're just one email or click away at contact@Duran'sAutoRepairTN.com and www.Duran'sAutoRepairTN.com. Remember to connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and Google Business Profile. So before you pack up the presents and the kids, pack in a visit to us. Your car will thank you with every mile. Come on over, let's get your car holiday ready. Vengan, vengan, también hablamos español.